In this video, we're going to analyze a small country trade problem, very common to a microeconomics class. Here we've got a country, Bangladesh, and when they don't trade with the rest of the world, which in this problem says if trade is avoided, that just means we're going to follow whatever the demand is and the supply. So it should be pretty familiar type problem. We're just going to go to where those meet, and so the answer to the first one, they would consume 9 pairs of socks and $7.50 per sock. Now, at the world price is 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to consider that this country, Bangladesh, can just buy as many socks as they want from the rest of the world. And so this would be, you can label that as WP, okay? Now it says, well, let's do the 3 questions together. So now world price is $4. The economy in Bangladesh is going to purchase 15 units, okay? Of those units, we're going to follow that back to domestic supply. So domestic supply is going to be 4, and they're going to import the difference. So they're going to buy 4 from the inside the country, 15 in total. The difference is 11. Okay, so they're going to produce 4 domestically. They're going to consume 15 or purchase 15. They don't really eat socks. And then they're going to import the difference, which would be 11 pairs. If the world price is $4 per sock and the Bangladesh government imposes a tariff of $1, Bangladesh produces whatever. So we're going to actually find we just go to world price and we put the tariff right here. This would be the world price plus tariff, or world price plus 1. Price plus 1. Okay, so we've essentially made it a little more expensive. Now, actually, in this particular problem, we don't have the exact number, so it'd be somewhere in between 12 and 15. Let me see here. Seem to be going down $2 for every 3 units, so it'd be like 1.5 actually, so it'd be like 13.5. We could probably say somewhere around 13 pairs. And then they, but that's what they consume, not what they import. Okay, so follow that to where it hits this. This is going to probably produce 5, and then they'll import the difference, so it'd be like around 8, somewhere in there. You could calculate, if you want to calculate like the slope of that linear demand curve, you could calculate that. Or if you put a $2 tariff, and make this one a little easier, you just go to $6 and then they would consume 12, produce 6 domestically, and import the 6. Okay. $1 tariff is going to be $1 on each imported item. So in this case, it would be $5 because they're going to import. No, it wouldn't be $5. It would be $8 because we're going to import the difference between here and here. So we would import, or we would produce 5 in Bangladesh, and then we would import the difference between what we would consume and what we would produce. So that would be 8. So it'd be 8, for some reason we're using dollars in Bangladesh, okay? And that's how to analyze a small country tariff graph.